Hi, I'm Jason Wilk with Echo Incorporated, and in this video we'll be showing you how to install a 90144Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on this CS355T top handle chainsaw. Before we get started, we want to make sure we have a flat blade screwdriver, a 19mm spark plug wrench, a piece of wire we can bend into the shape of a hook so we can pull out the fuel filter from the fuel tank, a Torx T27 driver, some safety glasses, and of course the YouCan maintenance tune-up kit. Before removing the air filter cover, we want to make sure the ignition switch is in the stop or off position, and we also want to move the chain brake forward into the engaged or on position, which is towards the bar and chain. To remove the air filter, we'll use our flat blade screwdriver to loosen the air filter cover locking knob. Pull the air filter cover off, and then peel off the air filter. To gain access to the spark plug, we'll go ahead and swing the lanyard clip out of the way, and then we'll remove the T27 Torx head screw from this cover. With the screw removed, we can go ahead and slide this cover off, and then we can go ahead and remove the spark plug boot from the top of the spark plug. Using our 19mm spark plug wrench, we'll go ahead and remove the spark plug from the engine in a counterclockwise direction. With the plug removed, we can go ahead and install the new spark plug. We just want to start threading the spark plug into the engine with our fingers to get the thread started first. With the new spark plug finger tight, we can come back with our 19mm spark plug wrench and fully tighten it into the engine. Once that's tight, we can reinstall the spark plug boot, reinstall our cover, and secure the cover with the T27 screw. With the spark plug cover back in place, we can go ahead and install the new air filter. Just note the tab on the air filter goes in the upper right hand corner. And then we can reinstall our air filter cover and secure with our flat blade screwdriver. To replace the fuel filter, we'll go ahead and loosen and remove the fuel cap. We'll pull the fuel tank tether out. And then using that piece of wire we bent into the shape of a hook, we'll reach into the fuel tank, we'll grab a hold of that fuel line, we'll pull the fuel filter out. And just note there's a little fuel line clip on there. We want to hold that in place as we pull out the old filter, and then make sure it stays in place as we install the new filter. We can then go ahead and put the fuel line and fuel filter back into the tank, and then reinstall the fuel cap. This concludes the installation of the 90144Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on the CS355T top handle chainsaw. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for additional YouCan installation videos.